In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer videos in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stack multiple clips on a single canvas so they play together in a clean, organized layout. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. Give it a moment to load the workspace. Before you do anything else, make sure you're logged in. Being signed in ensures your projects save correctly and that you can access your existing files and libraries without interruptions. On the left side of the home screen, you'll see options like your stuff and start new design. Choose either path to create a fresh project. If you open your stuff, look for the option to start something new there. In both cases, go ahead and click new design to land on a blank canvas where we'll build the layered video layout. At the upper left area of the editor, click add content. This is the hub for everything you bring into your design. From the panel that appears, choose media and then select videos. This narrows the panel to video sources so you can focus on your clips without sorting through other asset types. Now drag a sample video into your canvas. This becomes your first layer, essentially the foundation of your layout. Position it roughly where you want it to sit. Don't worry about perfect placement yet. We'll fine-tune in a moment. Next, repeat those same steps to add 2 more videos. Use Add Content, pick Media, choose Videos, and drag each clip into the canvas. As each video is added, it appears as its own layer, sitting on top of the previous one. You're essentially stacking clips visually, which is what layering is all about in this context. With all 3 videos on the canvas, resize and reposition them. Click a video to reveal its corner handles, then drag inward or outward to scale it. Move the clip by clicking and dragging it to a new spot. Use the alignment guides that appear to keep things clean and balanced. These guides help you snap elements into neat rows or corners. If you want one clip to be larger and 2 to be smaller, scale them accordingly and arrange them so they don't overlap awkwardly. For a polished look, keep consistent margins and watch for symmetry. If you need to change which clip appears on top, look for arrange or order options to bring a video forward or send it backward. That's it. You've opened the app, signed in, created a new design, added 3 videos, and arranged them to create a layered composition. Save your project and you're ready to use your layered video wherever you need it.